Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Shadowing Practice with Sophia. This is episode 16 of season 1. I'm so happy you're continuing to join me for these practice sessions. Remember our process. Listen attentively, pause the video when you need to, and repeat after me, aiming for that natural English sound and rhythm. Today, I want to talk about an activity that might seem like a chore to some, but can actually bring a surprising amount of satisfaction and peace. The joy of tidying up and organizing your space. This isn't just about cleaning, it's about creating an environment that feels calm, orderly, and supportive. Think about how you feel when your desk is clear, your room is tidy, or your kitchen counters are uncluttered. For many people, an organized physical space can lead to a more organized mental space. When our surroundings are chaotic, it can sometimes make us feel a bit stressed or overwhelmed, even if we don't consciously realize it. Conversely, a tidy space can promote feelings of calm and control. The process of tidying up can also be quite therapeutic. Sorting through your belongings, deciding what to keep, what to donate, or what to discard can be a way of letting go of things that no longer serve you. It can feel like a fresh start. And as you organize, you might rediscover items you'd forgotten about, or find more efficient ways to store your things. Moreover, having an organized space can actually save you time and reduce frustration. When you know where everything is, you don't waste precious minutes searching for misplaced keys, important documents, or your favorite t-shirt. Everything has its place, making your daily routines smoother. You don't have to tackle your entire home at once. That can definitely feel overwhelming. You can start small. Maybe dedicate 15 minutes to tidying one drawer or a single shelf. Or choose one small area each day. The key is consistency, and even small efforts can make a big difference over time. The joy comes not just from the end result of a clean and orderly space, but also from the sense of accomplishment and the feeling of creating a more pleasant and functional environment for yourself. It's about making your home, or even just your workspace, a place where you feel more relaxed and comfortable. I hope this topic gives you some useful vocabulary and phrases for your shadowing practice today. Keep up the fantastic work with your English. I'll see you in our next episode. Bye for now.